What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Silverback June, back at it again with another video. Today is finally the day that I installed the door on the charger. I know y'all been waiting for that, you know what I mean? Remember I showed you a video. If you see my last video, I went to the junkyard, had to go pick up another door for the charger. But yeah, the door is actually done. You know, you can take a look at it right here. I sanded the door down, you know, went with a primer finish. You know, it's not perfect, but you know, you get the idea. But it's cleaner than the door that I got now. You know, like I said, somebody banged my door up pretty bad over here. You know, whatever dents, dings over here. And I actually took the molding out on the other door. So, but basically I'm pretty much gonna swap everything from this door to that door. Whatever's left over, my little, all this excess stuff, this right here, put it on that door. Even from the inside, I might change the door panel, I'm not sure, but pretty much I'm gonna put this molding, take this molding off, put it on that door. You know, maybe I'll take the window. I'll probably keep the window as backup, whatever the case may be. But yeah, man, Silverback June. Got my tools right here. You know, probably wondering why I'm using the jack, because you know I gotta line up the door when I take off the door. After I remove the door, it has to be lined up, obviously. Very minimal tools. You don't need a lot of tools to do this job, but the jack is important because you're gonna need to line it up. But anyway, I'm not gonna bore you with all this extra stuff. The door's ready. I'm ready. You know, put the door in. Let's get to it. All right, so I'm gonna give you the bird's eye view of what I'm doing. Of course, I got the body camera on. So, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take this door panel off. All right, well, you know, whatever. Yeah, we're gonna start taking the door panel off, okay? And then this plug right here is part of it. When you get to this plug right here, you have to disconnect this plug so you could get to, you know, so when we do the window, whatever. Like, again, I'm not really using this, so it's okay, you know? So like I said, whatever I need to get to, I could get to from right here. But, you know, if I gotta get the window out or something like that, you know, I'll figure that out another time. But, you know, like I said, for now, I mean, I don't know, maybe I might even take the window out now. But, you know, like I said, first thing I'm gonna do is take this door panel off. All right, there's one little thing right here. Flip that up. There's one right here. There's another one right here, okay? Another one right here you flip out. Not hard to do, whatever. But there's another screw right in here, and all the rest of these door panels, clip, they just clips. So this one right here, you take that, push it in a little bit. You push it in like that. That's a clip. This one is another clip right here. Another clip is right here. Clip. All right, just clip them out. Now what I'm gonna do, take my Phillips screwdriver, take this out right here. All right. Phillips screwdriver one. There's another one in here. All right, and this door panel is gonna come out easy. I like to leave my screws right here. All right. Then the rest of the screws pretty much is around the body panel. Another thing too, like if you're gonna work on the car, sometimes it's better you start your car up a little bit, you know, because you will kill the battery. But anyway, like I said, once you get to this panel right here, you start lifting right here, pop it out. See? It comes out just like that. Now when you pop it out, all right, you get to here. get to this door thing right here. This is the door, the actual door. You release that, lift up, take this connections right here, little clips here, 1, 2, and 3, and the door panel's out. Okay, put that to the side right here. I might use a switch, I don't know, but whatever. So now I got this door panel off. I do want to take my mirrors. All right, so this is pretty simple. The mirrors, like I said, I take this piece out, push it in. Whatever trim that's in here, you're gonna try to pop out. Like this one, see, this is another one. This one right here. Again, push it in like so, and then you pop it out like that. All right, it's a clip. This one is another clip. All right, that one popped out. Take that, and you just easily pop these out. Look, comes down like this. Okay, take that out. Now you got this trim. You know, it goes in between here, the linings. We'll put this to the side for now, right here. To the side. Maybe this trim I'm gonna take, yeah, for the door. All right, put that to the side. All right, so now this mirror, you see this mirror right here? That's the mirror. Disconnect that. Take this piece right here. This is probably like an 8mm, 3 8mm bolts. Three 8mm bolts right here. Move real quick, see? 1, 2, 3. All right, take that off. Loosen all of them. Take this out. So put your car to the side, because you're gonna need all this stuff. All right, to the side where you know you can find it. This mirror, I'm gonna hold it right here because now it's gonna come out loose. All right, ta-da, mirror's out. Put that to the side. So I want to use it. You know, whatever I want to use for this car, I'm gonna use it. This is my door right here. Whatever I need from this door, I'm gonna try to use it. So anyway, like even like these little clips right here, might want to take those, try those out. You know what I mean? I want to take that out. Boom. One. And take that out. Right here. Boom. All right. Now this piece right here. You know, this module. Want to disconnect. This module right here. I might need that on my door. Okay, boom. How you take that out? Look through in here, wiggle it a little bit for some action. All right, like so. Okay. a little module you need. Alright, so basically I took my old switch, about to plug it back in like so I can put the window down. Alright, so turn my key on. Like I said, you're gonna want to start your car because you don't want it to die out. You know what I mean? Or, you know, they'll show some power. So what's gonna happen here? Let's see, let's check it. Oh, got some. Start the car a little bit. Module probably has to do with this window coming down and up. I'm gonna have to plug that back in. Alright, there you go. So now I got the window down where I want it. You know what I'm saying? Shut it off. Now I'm gonna take my two 8mm. These are either 8 or they're actually 10mm bolts. All right, hold on, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Let's connect this. Like, as soon as you know where you got your window thing, come up here, 10mm bolt, crack loose this bolt. I think you just have to crack it loose. That's it. Come over here, crack it loose. All right. All right. Now you could come down with it a little bit more. All right. You come down with it a little bit more. Not too much. All right. Probably right there. You take your window, you lift it up at an angle. You pop your window out. All right. See that? Take your window out just like that. Now your window is out. Now you got an extra window. Right? Put my window right up here, man. And that's it. You know. Alright, well, we're gonna go right back to it. We're gonna get right back to it. So now, just connect your wires again. Up, because I don't need the window now. Switch, you never know when you might need the switch. This module right here. Alright, take that. Alright, so I got the door, everything. You might want to take this door handle. You know, you might want to take it with you. You know, it's good to have if you want to keep it. Show you how to take that out real quick. Let's see. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take it. All right. You come out here. me that out. Just like that. All right, so now I got extra parts. Nothing wrong with that. All right, now it comes to taking out the door. Very simple. First thing you're gonna want to do is, like I said, this connector has to come out first. So you take the wire, hit this button right here, press it so that wire comes out. Okay, like so. Now your door pretty much is ready to come out. Okay, what's gonna take it out? Four 13mm bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your ratchet 13. All right, it's gonna come loose. All right, might want to put your hand down here to support it, because this thing is going to be heavy when it comes down. All right, but not really, because like I said, you have you took out all the stuff that you need to take out, from the door to the whatever. I mean, you hold it right here. Got one bolt out. All right. So you want to hold this bad boy. All right. Hold that. 2 bolts right here. All right, with your hand. Just taking out what I can. All right. It's really good to mark where you have. You know, if you got a hand, you got somebody to help you, it's good. You know, right now this thing is gonna be sagging, dangling. But you know what? If you really want to, at this point, you could use the jack to support the door, which is what I'm gonna do right now. So got the support. I put a little shirt right here. You know, not that I care, but you know, make my job a lot easier. Actually, all right. All right. So I got the support right here. All right, so I use the jack for. Pump it up. I can lift it with my hand. All right. If I want, I can pump up the jack some more. All right, all my bolts is out. All right, now check this out. We're gonna lift up the whole door is gonna come out. Ready? Lift up, the whole door came out. See that? Whole door's out. No more door. Alright? So now, alright family, so I got the door in. Now I'm about to change my cylinder. I just realized though that this door is from a 2008 Charger and my door is a 07. The door panels are a little bit different, but not quite. But you see this door panel is all gray, that one is beige. So anyway, the door is in right now, but I have to line it up and everything, put my mirrors on the back and everything like that. And you know, just a little FYI for you, the door, this is a 2008 Charger. I mean, this is a 2007, this is a 2008. So this came from a 09, 010, 08 Charger, which is cool. But anyway, right now I'm gonna change the cylinder because this cylinder key will not work with my door. I'm gonna show you. Well, you know what? Let's try it, you know? Just for shits and giggles. Let's try it. See? It doesn't turn. Alright? So I'm gonna change the cylinder out, put my cylinder on. Everything should be Gucci. Alright, this door I'm gonna put onto the side. I'm not gonna even go crazy with it. So put this one right here. Put this back. Yeah, so the door's in. I'll finish up over here. I'm gonna see if I get some. I'm gonna see if I could get the cylinder out. I'm gonna put my cylinder in there and take it from there. All right, peace. All right, so I actually took the cylinder out, 2 bolts right here. All right, there's a rod that goes in there, 2 bolts. Take my cylinder out because I'm gonna be using this. I need that. All right, so I got the new door in. All right, same way you took it out, same way you put it back in, but now it's time to align this door. Like I said, this time it's gonna be a little tricky this time. I also noticed like there's some of the things that I got on this switch that I don't have on this door, which means that I'm gonna have to use a different door. I'm gonna have to use a different switch. So yeah, but if not, I have to transfer everything from this door. You see it goes in, but I have to transfer everything from this door to that door. But let's see what happens. Right now, I don't really want to tighten it. I just want to get it to a point where just got it snug right here. I ain't gonna tighten it all the way because I don't know what this door really gonna be like. So all right, man, so there you have it, lads. All right, The door is finally on. Old door panels. The door panel over there, I'm definitely keeping that glass. This door panel, whatever, I'm just gonna toss away probably, you know. I don't need that door panel, whatever, but yeah, man. Show you the contents. I do have problems with that window coming down, the passenger side. But other than that, the door panels is on. FYI, like I said, this is from a 2008 Charger, so you know it looks a little different, but that's okay. You know, start the car. The door does close. All right, does lock. All right, open, close, striker. All right, open up. Window goes up. You know what I mean? Close, open. Alright, man. So, yeah, man. Silverback June. This window already came tinted. The window already came tinted. Of course, I gotta put my wrap thing here, but that's for another day. That's no problem. But yeah, man, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. Man, like I said, the door, like, this car is getting painted over again anyway. The whole car is getting painted, so I'm not really worried about it. A couple of new mods is coming up. I just wanted to fix that door. See, the door is nice and clean now compared to the door that's here on the floor, you know. But I kept some things. I kept some things from the old door. Like I said, I kept the handle and all that stuff. You know, the mirror, of course. You know, I took some things out of it, but, you know, this thing right here just disgusted me, man. So, yeah, man, but whatever. I might just take this thing to the scrap yard and just freaking take that apart, whatever the case may be, call it life. But, yeah, man, Silverback June. Like, share, subscribe. You know what I mean? You like my content? And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can see what I'm doing every time when I put out a video post. You definitely see what comes up on a video. All right, man. Silverback June, man. Drag strip ladies. I'm out, man. Peace.